Hello, this is Anthony with Keller Williams, and this is a video of 15590 37th Court North in Loxahatchee, Florida. And what I'm going to do is make a video that has various parts of this home. The first part is we're going to focus on the inside and the outside of the property, and then I'll do a neighborhood video. So right there you've got a private automatic gate. It's at the push of a button. The gate opens inward, and then you come into the property. You have a long driveway, and I will definitely walk around the perimeter of the property and show that to you. I figure, we can start with the inside of the house, and we're on 1.15 acres here, and we've got a brand new metal roof. We've got hurricane impact all around except for the front door and the I believe it's the bathroom windows and the slider in the rear, but there are shutters for every window in the house. So I'll show you the shutters. They are in the garage. So what we're going to do now is just going to start walking through the house and show you how the floor plan works. So if you are to search in the West Palm Beach County property appraisers, you'll see that this house is listed as a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,883 square feet. And the reason I share that with you is because we believe the previous owners had a closet in here and a door, and they removed it and made it into a den. And it actually looks great as a den. There's a lot of room in here, but I think the closet was over here into this wall, and the door was there. So you've got tile throughout, and you've got really high ceiling height. So that's an 8-foot door over there. So you've got maybe another 2 feet above that door. So it's 10 feet in here. And then you come out in here, and as you can see, it just like opens up really high. I mean, it's really high. And you got crowd molding all the way around there. And it's just a magnificent entrance. If you come on in and see, it's very, very high. So as soon as you walk in, it just feels very majestic. It has a great feeling to it when you walk in. So you come into the house, and again, on the left-hand side, you've got the den over here, and then you've got the master over there. You've got the dining room here, and you've got 2 bedrooms over there with a bathroom. Garage is around the corner, and then you've got the pool bath in the back. So what we'll do is we'll start on this side of the house, and we'll do the master first. And again, you just have really great ceiling height in here. Nice tray ceiling. Doors out to your lanai. Oversized lanai. Plantation shutters in every room. And put a nice couch over here in this nook. Spectacular closet with all the built-ins. Plenty of storage. And you can, walk in from one side to the next, which is really cool. So here I am coming out the other side. And then you've got a standard sized closet in here for more storage. This is where we came in, and then this is where we came out. And here you have the master bath with a tub shower combo. Vanities on this side, and then the men's sink is on that side. And you've got linen closet in here, and then water closet in here. Okay, so that covers the master. So now we'll come back out into the great room over here. And this is a very large room. I don't think the video does it any justice. It's really hard to tell, but this is a very, very large elliptical trainer. It's actually getting moved out. She had a bar over here. So that's a great little spot to put a bar for entertaining. And this built-in comes with the house, which is also really neat. It makes everything look nice and clean. But it's removable. It's not really a built-in, but she's gonna leave it. And you put your TV in here, and this opens up like that. She's gonna leave that. So it's a nice piece, and it kind of goes with it. Also have speakers all hardwired. These are also staying, so you have full-blown surround sound already built in and hardwired. So that's gonna be staying. But again, the video doesn't really do justice of how large this room is. It's just really a large room. Really, really great ceiling height, tray ceilings. And then over here, we have the dining room. Again, just amazing ceiling height. This is perfect for entertaining. You could turn this into a second living room if you wanted to. So the kids could have their TV set up in here, and then the adults could have their TV set up in here. The kids could play their video games over here. Or, you know, leave it as an awesome dining room. It is an awesome dining room. Has two entrances, has one there, has one there. Nice high entrances. This one's higher than this one. But it's very regal. It has just a very awesome feeling. The kitchen is enormous. Again, the video does not do it justice. You got the 42-inch cabinets, quartz countertops, you have the wine cooler. I believe she said the fridge was new. And you have the subway tiles in the back. Really nice. And it's a really nice gray, nice handles too. So we'll do the kitchen. What I'll do is I'll cover this end of the house, and then we'll head back over there and do the kitchen. So over here you have the other guest beds. Again, plantation shutters. You got the hurricane glass over here. As you can see, it's good stuff. And then you got a standard sized closet in here. And excuse how I'm dressed if you see me in the mirrors. I'm actually heading out to go back to the West Coast today over in Naples. So I just wanted to dress comfortably for the drive. You got double sinks in here. Nice shower in here. Plantation shutters, hurricane glass over there. And we've got linen closet over here. And then you've got the other guest bed over here. Also plantation shutters, impact glass, standard closet in here. And if there's any pieces that interest you, any furniture that interests you, just let us know. Washer and dryer stay. Utility sink for the laundry. You got some storage racks up here, storage racks or storage cabinets over there. You can hang some clothes over here, folding table over here. I'm not sure if that's staying, but you can request it. The point is there's room for a folding table. And in here you got the garage, and these workbenches are staying. She added extra storage racks up here. You got everything is just very well organized. I'm not sure if this tool bench is staying though, but I know these cabinets I believe are staying. You got all of the hurricane shutters. So the house on top of impact glass has coverage with the hurricane shutters. Those are all there. But it's a nice sized garage. And I can find out about, I'm pretty positive she's leaving that bench. I'm not sure if she's leaving that one, but again, I can find out what is staying and what is not. If there's something that you would like, just, ask about it. It's negotiable. Okay, so now we're gonna come back and walk through the kitchen. Again, this is a huge kitchen. You could do amazing entertaining here, put out a nice buffet during the holidays. There's just plenty of room. I mean, at least 10 people would fit in here comfortably. It's just a very large kitchen. Really hard to, the video just doesn't display it well. So then over here, you've got a small pantry, but have no fear, there's a bigger one right over here. You got double ovens. Pretty cool. GE profile. Eat-in kitchen or breakfast nook, and you've got a counter over here that you can also eat in the kitchen as well. And here's a good view of it's just a big area. It's just huge, right? And then again, plantation shutters everywhere. Okay, and then here's that other pantry. Much larger pantry. Good for the doomsday prepping and storage. Okay. And over here you've got the pool bath. Again, plantation shutters, hurricane glass. Appointed with great tile. Everything is just in pristine, like new condition. And then you would head out to the pool bath over here, or to the lanai over here, and access to the pool bath would be from this door. Okay, so that covers the inside of the house. Here's another shot. I mean, you could really tell how big the room is because the couches look really tiny, right? And I can come over here to this corner and give you another shot of it. And you see how small all the furniture looks? That kind of gives you an idea of how big the room is. Okay, so now we'll head outside and we'll do the lanai, and then I'll do a separate video walking the property. So you have a very big lanai here. I mean, look, outdoor furniture is just, it's big outdoor furniture and it looks really tiny. You got a room for a table to eat out here if you want to. You have a nice large pool. And it's in great shape. House was built in 2003. And all the cement looks great. I'll walk around and show the cement. It's a nice big cage too. Hopefully this gives you a great idea. Trying not to shake my hands. Sorry if it's a little shaky. All right. All right, so that covers the inside of the house, and what we'll do now is we'll make a video of me walking around the property and going into the shed. And we'll start back over here.